Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Sienna headlight bulb using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin any work. Next, you'll need to locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the front bumper area. Once you've located the headlight assembly, the next step is to carefully remove any clips or screws that are holding the unit in place. These fasteners are usually found along the top or sides of the assembly. After removing them, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This creates enough space for you to easily access the back of the bulb. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the tab and pulling. With the electrical connector detached, you can now remove the old headlight bulb. Typically, you'll twist the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and then pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise until it feels secure and locked into place. After the new bulb is securely in its socket, reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks firmly into place to ensure a good connection. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all tabs and mounting points align. Reinstall any clips or screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.